What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the vlog. That's how all YouTubers start their vlogs. Now I'm gonna start doing it too, because this is the first ever vlog. And if you guys follow me on Instagram and watch my stories, I announced that I was gonna do a vlog today, and it's gonna be awesome. So these vlogs, basically we're all stuck inside anyways, and I get a lot of questions, and I don't want to put them on my IG story and bore the other people who don't give a crap. So now I'm going to do it in vlog format, but I'm only gonna do certain topics on certain days. So I'm not gonna make these long, super long vlogs. They're just gonna be, hey, today let's talk about what I'm doing for my workout today. Maybe it's what I'm eating today or how I make my Instagram posts. This is like questions I get all the time in my DMs. So that's what we're gonna do. Super raw, like basically no edits. That way I can keep pumping these out because that takes a long time and I'm not that good at it. So today, I'm also gonna cut my hair in a couple days. That should be fun. Today, one of the most popular questions I get, and that is, what's in your smoothie? So I've been making the same smoothie for pretty much the past year and a half, and I always get asked, what's in the smoothie? So today, we're gonna run through that right now. Let me set up the camera, make sure I'm in frame, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. All right, so here is the recipe for the smoothie. It's the purple smoothie that I make in my Instagram stories. So I always like to start with either almond milk or oat milk. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. I've just been using this a lot, so oat milk. And then a packet of vanilla protein. I'll throw in some chia seeds and some oats. And I don't really measure anything because I'm not really counting calories. If you're trying to like gain weight or lose weight, I probably recommend figuring out how many calories you're putting in, but I'm not really monitoring anything right now. Got some peanut butter, and then got some Maine blueberries, frozen blueberries. What else do I need? This is a bag of frozen banana. So I bought a whole bunch of bananas before, and they were getting too ripe, so I just broke them in half and I put them in a bag and I put it in the freezer. I think that's it. So we're just gonna put some ice in it after. All right, so let's start off with the oat milk. And I'm gonna kind of just eyeball it. Let's go. I think that's pretty good. I'll just try to, about 1 cup. So about 1 cup here. Put this aside. And then this is when I put most of the dry ingredients. So we got some vanilla protein. A little vanilla protein. Whew. I like to put some oats in it. A little bit of oats. Some chia seeds. Chia. I guess maybe like the oats was like 1/4 of a cup, and then this I'll go about 1 tablespoon. And let's go for the peanut butter. Almost done with this. Good enough. I usually put a little bit more, but all right. Well, peanut butter, and then I'll throw some frozen blueberries. Pretty good. And then I'll throw in half of a banana. There we go. And frozen banana. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. I think it's kind of like it's a pretty basic, simple smoothie. So we got almond milk. We have the protein powder, vanilla protein powder, some oats, some chia seeds, some frozen blueberries, and banana. And then I like to throw a little bit of ice in here, not too much. I like my smoothie a little bit more on the slushier side. So let's toss in some ice. couple ice cubes, maybe a little more. And that is it. Let's blend this up. I like this container too. My blender came with like the bigger one, but I like this one for some reason. All right. The only downside with putting all this frozen stuff is that it might not blend as well. All right, awesome. The only downside is that it gets a little too frozen, and then the thing on the inside just spins, so I always have to shake it up a little bit. But let's see how this came out. I have a feeling this is going to be a good batch. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. A little glob, a little globular there. All right. Here it is. Here is the smoothie that I make often. Cheers. So good. So that's it for today's vlog. Very simple. And I'm not sure what tomorrow will be. I mean, some of these will be longer, some of these will just be shorter. Like maybe tomorrow I'll just talk a little bit about my workout. And then if you have any suggestions and things you want to see, I'll put it down into the comments, and then I can talk about that. So literally it can be about anything, because I'll be uploading vlogs and then also videos to the YouTube page, like the stretching routines and all that good stuff. So whatever you guys want to see, let me know. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.